How to create an account on Uber. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to create an account on Uber, what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch the Uber application on your device. After you do that, allow Uber to access your notification, or you can simply don't allow it. After you do that, you will be taken to the login page. Over here you can either continue with your phone number. In order to do that, from here you have to select your country, then enter your phone number over here. Or what you can also do is you can either continue with your Google or continue with email. Now you can select any of the option that is favorable to you. It will send you a SMS code on your phone number. Wait for some time, then you will receive the code. So I've received my code. After you do that, you have to enter your email address over here. After you enter your email address, you have to enter your name, your first name and your last name. After you enter your name, you have to agree to the terms and conditions over here by tapping on this. After you tap on it, tap on next. Then there you go. You will successfully be logged into your Uber. From here, you can either select bike, ride, seniors, or whatever that is favorable to you. So this is how you can create an account on Uber. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you, and see you in the next one.